Roll-off dumpster rental in Cleveland, Ohio. Are you looking for a reliable roll-off dumpster rental in Cleveland, Ohio? Credible Dumpsters LLC offers efficient and convenient waste management solutions for your home or business. Whether you're tackling a renovation or cleaning up after a big event, our dumpsters are perfect for handling the job. At Credible Dumpsters LLC, we provide a range of dumpster sizes to fit your specific needs. We provide timely, hassle-free delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on track. Our team is committed to making waste disposal as easy as possible with dependable service every time. We pride ourselves on offering affordable pricing with no hidden fees. You'll know exactly what to expect, and we'll be there when you need us. Credible Dumpsters LLC serves Cleveland, Ohio, and surrounding areas, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. We strive to ensure that your project runs smoothly with minimal disruptions. Call 440-230-6025 for quick, reliable dumpster rental to schedule your pickup. Credible Dumpsters LLC is your trusted provider for roll-off dumpster rental in Cleveland, Ohio, offering simple and dependable waste solutions tailored to your project.